Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
For this week's lesson, I'm going to teach you all how to make disco fries. The ingredients we're going to be using are potatoes, chicken gravy mix, mozzarella cheese, and seasonings like onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, brown black pepper, and pink Himalayan salt. And canola oil for frying.
Where's the bag? About here.
Okay, first we're gonna be chopping and peeling the potatoes. Then we're gonna season them, fry them in oil. After that, we're gonna prepare our gravy. We're gonna prepare our chicken gravy. Top it off with cheese. Before we start, however, let's see who this week's helper is. Let's try this. And my helper this week is Juan.
Okay.
Alright, before we start, let's put on these rubber gloves. Alright, Juan, we're gonna start by peeling our potatoes. First we grab our peeler. Peel the skin off. Take Noah!
Where's the bag outside? Where's it?
As I was saying, we take our peeler and peel the skin off our potato. As well as the eyes. Now let's see what you do. No, you got it right. That's fine. Don't forget to rotate while peeling. Alright, that should be enough spuds. Before we start cutting, let's wash. Alright, now let's start cutting our potatoes. First, you slice the potato into four patties, like so. Then we julienne like so. Now when you're cutting potatoes like this, make sure you be careful with your finger placement.
Adele,
Yes?
Garrett can't see how you slice it because the cheese is in the way. He said thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, grab a knife like this, and you make your hand into a little rock rough paw. Okay? Then we julienne like so.
See how he's cutting it?
Now, if you don't have any experience using a knife, always make sure you get a guardian parent or DSP to assist you. Let's see if you can do it too. Remember, careful with your finger placements. No? Rock rough paw. Make sure you cut all the way. One. Rock rough paw. No, not full fist. Like this. No, like this. No, not too thick. Watch. You cut the tail like this. Then we julienne like so. Now when doing so, make sure knife is held like this. And your hand and your hand is a little rock rough paw. Alright, let's see you try. And you might want to come over here so Garrett can see. Hands to yourself. I see you're a steak fries kind of person. Before we start frying, let's start seasoning. First, our pink Himalayan pink Himalayan salt. Then our ground black pepper. Juan, that's to yourself. Then our Italian seasoning. Then our brown powder. And our onion powder.
Kanisa.
And here's where the fun really starts. We're gonna start frying. Now, who would like to help me with this one? Alright, Kelly, you're up.
Woohoo, Kelly!
Alright. Now we're gonna start frying our fries and making our gravy. first before canola oil onto our pan. Next, we fill this pot with water. Now we have and our gravy packets, like so. Next we add in our seasonings. Onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, ground black pepper, and our pink Himalayan salt. And stir it all in. Then we heat the gravy. Then we leave the gravy at medium heat until it thickens. Remember to stir occasionally. As for the fries, grab a handful of our fries and place them onto the oil. Place it onto the pan. Now when you're frying the fries, make sure you move around like so you can cook evenly. Alright. These fries are ready. Let's onto this plate. The plate is lined with paper towel. So lined with paper towel.
Indiana Jones.
Alright, now we've got 2 smoked plates. Here's our fries. Now hold on. Then we take our gravy until not now.
Okay.
Then we'll top the fries on with our gravy.
Gravy? That's good. Sounds good, man. I never had that one.
And lastly, top off mozzarella cheese.
Wow, I never had that thing.
And that, class, is how you make disco fries.